In this video, we will create some simple drawings by using yarn as the outline. Once the glue dries, we will fill in the shapes with watercolor. So here I'm just using yarn, glue, scissors, and then I'm using my finger to gently press the yarn down into the glue. Try not to press too hard because then you'll get glue on your fingers and then the yarn will stick to your finger. Then you're going to cut the extra pieces off and set that aside to dry. Now for this one, I will create a basic flower shape. I just sketched it out first, and then now I'm outlining it with the yarn. Using the same technique with the glue and my finger to just gently press it down. If you don't want to use your finger, you can definitely use something else like a popsicle stick or a pencil, and that will work just as good. Now that my first yarn drawing is dry, I'm going to come in with watercolor and fill in each individual shape. I'm going to focus on blending at least 2 colors together just to get a fun gradient for each shape, but it's totally up to you how you want to do that. So in order to do that, I like to start on one edge, blend it out, and then start on the other side and blend it back into the previous color. So I'm doing kind of a rainbow theme here, just blending the colors into each other, and then I'm going to add some black just for the spaces in between. So for my flower drawing, I will use a similar technique where I blend multiple colors together. For my petals, I'm going to do red on the outside and then purple on the inside and just blend them into each other. And here's the final outcome. Thanks for watching.